Welcome back, guys. In this episode, I spend the weekend throwing some mods on the Dmax in preparation for some exciting things to come. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video for a clue of what that may be. So let's get into it. I just wanted a high five. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of wiring up in the car. I've got to put power to the back. I've got electronic brakes. Got some new spotties because yeah, we lost one of them a while ago, so my car's constantly been winking. About time to upgrade because the last remaining one did just cark it, so it's time for a new one. And some mirrors, and I'm guessing by now you guys probably already know what all this stuff is for, but if not, I'm probably only going to give you one guess. First things first, I've got to mount this little bad boy somewhere in the car. In the Dmax, there's a nice little spot back in here. I've got my design ready to rock. I'm going to make a little plate out of aluminium, screw it in there, mount the thing, and then I'm going to start doing all the wiring up. So let's get into that. Eyes, ears, shoes. Safety first. Pardon? Oh boy. That's upsetting, isn't it? Well, that's not good. Lost this bad boy down behind me dash. All I can say is thank God for YouTube and all the legends on there that put how-tos, which makes pulling apart my car dash very easy. Thank you. How perfect of a spot is that? Fits beautifully. I'd like to take a moment here to thank our sponsors. Yeah, quite frankly, you know, without them we wouldn't be here today, so you know, thank you Nick for your semi-permanent use of your soldering iron. Thank you. And it's night time, and there's still heaps to do. I feel like I've gotten nowhere, but it's alright, still got tomorrow. I was just partway through editing this video when I realised I didn't actually have any footage of our new mirrors.
There's also a cool magic trick. Extendable.
Boom.
Why would we extend them?
Still bet everyone's guessing. Interestingly enough, you know, it's obviously a little bit down the track, and we're actually still lucky to have these things on the vehicle. So yeah, that's a future thing for you guys to enjoy. But mirrors.
Yeah. Installed mirrors.
Well, it's been an absolute massive weekend, but we got there in the end, as expected. Things didn't quite go according to plan, but no, it's been good. Got a lot of stuff done, which is great. New spotties, new mirrors, Tow-Pro installed, Anderson plug wired to the tow bar at the back. Up until now, my UHF has pretty well been a hood ornament. I never finally did the last little bit of wiring, so I've done that. I've tidied up a lot of the wiring that I've done in the past. I'm actually really happy with how a lot of that came up.
I've still got a bit of tinkering to do and find some permanent spots for things, but this is 100 times better than what it was, so I am very happy.
Reverse camera, Safety Dave reverse cameras all wired up and in. Yeah, it's been, like I said, a big weekend and we're all done, so thank you for watching. Like I said at the start, you probably already know or have figured out what all these mods are for, but if you haven't, you're only getting one guess. But yeah, you know, we're going to be going on a few adventures and put a few of these things to the test, so stay tuned for that.
We're here.
We are here.
Yay.
Oh, I see some glimpses.
There it is. There it is.
But you're going to have to wait a little bit longer than that.